We're ready to go? All right, well, welcome back to another Maintenance Monday. Again, I have Adam Lukes with us, one of our field directors out here, and he's gonna kind of explain to us how this window was installed, because, you know, again, we're talking about moisture on windows and people complaining that the windows aren't sealed. How do we seal these windows up?
So the start of a window, when it goes into place, we ran silicone all the way around the window. The window is set into place, nailed off, and then the water tape goes over top of it.
Yeah, you can actually see some of that white silicone that's oozing out from back behind here, okay? And then we take that house wrap that was underneath there, we put the house tape over the top, okay? So that's basically how we're sealed up. We're gonna go on the inside and I'm gonna show you a couple things on the inside real quick. Okay, so Adam and I are here in the inside of the house, and you're gonna see a gap all the way around between the framing and the window. Adam's gonna show us how he seals that up. Actually, our insulators will do this. He's just gonna spray foam right in there. That spray foam expands. It's gonna fill up all those areas. We do get spots like that that just kind of are extra. We're just gonna snip that away once it dries up. So that's how the window is sealed. Every single window, every single door. Window frame, door frame, gonna be sealed to that framing material all the way around.
So this is our end process, our bibs that we blow in on the walls. Everything is sealed up around the window with spray foam, caulked every joint that we have, and then also a fiberglass insulation up in all your rim joists.
Very nice, very nice. So we got, basically an R15 value here. We've sealed up all the way around the window. And as we discussed earlier up at the house, we talked about how the window is actually sealed to the outside of the framing, okay? So the windows are really sealed up really well, guys, okay? It's not necessarily that they're not sealed up, and that's why you have frost developing. Again, it's about that dew point, it's about the moisture in your home, okay, and how cold it is outside. That's what's really causing issues with moisture developing on a window. So join us again next Monday for another Maintenance Monday.